Now Henry and George vacuum cleaners use the same type of dust bags, and you may include other pneumatic models too. The HEPA-Flow filter bags are known for their high filtration and capacity. To replace, open the top cover, remove the top filter. You can give it a clean with a vacuum, but it states do not wash. As you can see, the bag seems full and it's time to replace. Slowly remove the bag from the nozzle. Look at that guys, it's always best to check the nozzle. Sometimes you get trapped paper or all sorts of debris in there that reduces the suction power. Close the flap so no dust can escape and discard. Give the vacuum tank a clean. Slot in your new HEPA filter bag. These pneumatic bags cost around £1 each if bought in bulk. There are other bags that are compatible with these pneumatic vacuums, but for now, personally, in my opinion, I'll stick to the genuine brand. Tuck it all the way in, and you're ready to go. It's definitely increased the suction power. Stay safe guys, peace.